Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka YELLOOBERRY.
I'm like, damn, you so fine, girl, what is your sign? She say I'm a Sagittarius, I'm a Capricorn, the beginning and end. I got a friend for your friend, hey, I'm making all of this money to spend. Deal stores buying.
Wait, I don't bite.
And by today's title, you already know why you are here. We're gonna get a little spicy today. I have finally gotten my hand on this portable vaginal spa. For those of you who don't exactly know what that is, V-steam, also known as Yoni Steaming or vagina steam, is an ancient and traditional self-care practice that has been used by women by centuries to heal and tone the vagina. The power of the natural herbs is absorbed and circulated into the reproductive system, where they help to stimulate healing, nourish the vagina, and cleanse old residue in vaginal canal. It is also used for medicinal and healing purposes. The Magic V-Steam is the ultimate portable vaginal spa that provides gentle and effective support for women's wellness and the comfort and convenience of her home. It's basically just a vagina steamer, okay? It is what it is. You're just gonna say it out loud. You're just gonna say it out loud and very proudly, okay? I'm so glad that I got my hands on this portable vaginal spa because, y'all, this thing, it's a thing, okay? It's a thing. I've used it a few times and I can genuinely say that I honestly like it. But however, I can tell you the benefits of the steaming, which is it helps to regulate irregular menstrual cycle, it helps to heal and detox the uterus, it reduces period cramps. So for those ladies that are like having horrendous periods cramps, definitely try V-steaming. Boosts fertility, helps eliminate odor, enhances wetness, especially if you suffer from dryness, helps heal the reproductive system after childbirth, which was a super plus for me. As y'all know, I gave birth to Gianna, and you know, you just want to give your vagina like a reset button. That's really why I want to use it during this time. It increases circulation, it maintains good vaginal health, it relieves stress, and it promotes good uterine health. Okay? I have a Caribbean background, I am Jamaican, and I know a lot of people, like after you give birth, they always tell you to like sit over a hot pan of water and let the steam draw down whatever it needs to draw down. So essentially that is what this does. It's just a little bit more cuter. It's pink, comes with cute little tea bags and stuff like that. So it's basically just like combining old school methods in like a cuter, more scientific way, if you may. So now I'm going to show you guys what came in this portable vaginal spa. I received 5 packages of the Magic V Herbal Blend, which, as I stated, is basically just like tea bag. The ingredients that are inside of the Magic Herbal Blend are rosemary, mugwort, Egyptian basil, wormwood, demiana, and rose petals. Guys, when I tell y'all, when you open it and place it inside of the portable spa, it has like this, I don't want to say it smells good. I mean, I like the way tea smells, but it does have like this kind of like tea enriched smell. It doesn't have like a chemical smell. It doesn't seem like it's anything that's gonna harm me or anything like that. So that I truly admire. So basically, like I said, it looks like a tea bag, and you'll just place this inside of your spa. Literally, it smells like tea. It doesn't smell like anything that'll harm you. I low-key feel like you can drink this. Don't quote me on saying you can't drink it, okay? I'm just saying I low-key feel like it's not, I'm just going to say it's not harmful, okay? It also came with some seat covers just in case you want to share your portable spa or just keep the surface clean. I don't think that you should share a portable spa just because like your vagina. I mean, then again, you do share your toilet in the house, but I don't know, like this is just a little too intrusive. I would not share this with my mother, so I do not recommend sharing this. I think everybody should just get their own. It also comes with a measuring cup, and it comes with the portable spa. Isn't it so cute? The color is purple and pink. It's just so feminine. It has cute little flowers on this little on button right here. Totally a vibe. It is definitely a thing. It's just super easy to use, and that's one thing I love. I don't know if it's like just me or just being a millennial. I hate reading like extensively long instructions. I need things to just be simple. So let me show you guys how to use this Yoni steamer. Alright guys, so I have everything set up right here. This is what the vaginal steamer looks like as I showed you. So you just unscrew the top, put it to the side. There is also a metal plate that comes with the vaginal steamer. This was for loose herbs that you could put it in there so it doesn't like stain inside of the pot. But this is how it looks like inside. So what you would do is, I still use it just because I don't want to lose it. I just put it on the bottom like so. I grab a tea bag, and in these 5 tea bags, a lot of them are stored in here. So I think in this bag I have maybe about like 8 of these tea bags, and again I have 5 bags. So then I'll drop this tea bag inside like right here, like so. And then I'd use my cup, or if you have a bigger measuring cup, because you have to use half a cup of water to put in here. But basically I just eyeball it and I fill it up to just where that silver metal stops. Then put it down, put the cover on it, make sure that it is locked, and then I will turn it on. It starts off at like the setting 5, which is for it to boil. Okay, do not steam your vaginas on 5. However, you can steam it up to 4, but because I am a beginner with steaming, I just kept it like on a low setting, like 2 or 3. And after that, once it's finished boiling, give it like a couple of minutes to boil. You'll take this part off, and then this is where you sit. So basically, it's pretty far. So if you did want to share this, I guess it's not that bad. However, again, I still would not recommend sharing this because things do come out of your vagina when you use it. And again, as I said, I use the seat cover, and I just place the seat cover on top of it, just again so that I can have this for a long time. It is a styrofoam plate. So yeah guys, that's just how you use the vaginal steamer. It is super easy, super clutch, and cleaning it also wasn't too hard. Just make sure, because there's an electrical appliance, that you're not like putting the plug in water. But I just took like a nice warm rag and I just wiped it out, put some soap on it, paper towel to dry it, and I stored it in the box, and that was pretty good, guys. I like it. I like the results. I don't have any irritation. I don't feel as if like this is something that I should not be using on my vagina. I'm not somebody who douches. I'm not somebody who even uses tampons, you know, so I don't really do a lot to my vagina, so maybe that could be right. I haven't had any bad effects, or the Yoni Steaming could just be that good. Sorry about that, the baby woke up, but I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure that you drop a comment down below, smash that like button, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to hit me up down below if it is a little personal. Usually I don't care if y'all write in the comments, but y'all can ask me in like my DMs on Instagram. Again, this is the vagina. Everything does not need to be on, you know, the internet. But I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.